Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a student or paying for education expenses, you probably know how important Form 1098T is when filing your taxes. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to import your Form 1098T into TurboTax quickly and accurately, so you can claim the right educational deductions and credits without any hassle. Stick around, because by the end of this guide, you'll have it done in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and go to the Turbotax website. Sign into your account. Or, if this is your first time, create one. Once you're in, you'll land on your homepage. Look for the section labeled with the current tax year, like 2024 taxes, and click to access your files. Next, make sure you're in the Federal tab, which is where all your national tax return information is handled. From here, navigate to the Deductions and Credits section. This part of TurboTax is designed to help you maximize your tax benefits, so it's worth spending a little extra time here. Within Deductions and Credits, scroll down until you see Education. Click on it to expand your options, then select Expenses and Scholarships, Form 1098T. This is where TurboTax will guide you through importing your data. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You'll be asked to enter information exactly as it appears on your Form 1098T, including tuition paid, scholarships, and any adjustments. Accuracy here is key to ensuring your tax benefits are applied correctly. Once you've entered all the information, TurboTax will double-check for errors and calculate your eligible credits automatically. And that's it. Your Form 1098T is now successfully imported into TurboTax, and your education-related tax benefits are ready to be claimed. It's really that simple when you follow the steps carefully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another quick and easy tax tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.